Dear students, let us discuss a question from the chapter Statistics. This question is of 4 marks and it is on the concept of drawing a pie chart. And the question says, the number of hours spent by a schoolboy on different activities in a working day is given below. You are given the data. Some activities have been mentioned and number of hours spent by a schoolboy on different such activities is also given. That is in number of hours. So it's mentioned like sleep 8 hours, then school 7 hours, homework 4 hours, then play 2 hours and other activities 3 hours. So that makes a total of 24 hours. Now you know that pie chart is a circle graph. So basically we need to first of all find out the fraction of the circle and then we will be finding the sector angle. So for that we will be making a table. So in the first column we are going to write down the activities. In the second column we are going to mention the number of hours. And then in the third column we are going to mention the fraction. And in the fourth column we will be finding the sector angle of the activity which is to be drawn in the pie chart. So here you see that first activity is sleep, and it is mentioned that out of 24 hours 8 hours are spent on sleep, so fraction becomes 8 by 24. Now to find the sector angle, how we do this, we find 8 parts is out of 24, then how many parts are out of 360 degrees, because in a circle if you know that central angle is 360 degrees, so we need to find out part of the circle, that is sector angle representing this particular activity. So 8 by 24 into 360, so you can calculate this and we see that this is coming out to be 120 degrees. So this is the first thing which we are going to do. So sleep is mentioned 120 degrees. Now the second activity is school. Number of hours spent is 7. So what is the fraction? Fraction will be 7 by 24 and the sector angle will be 7 by 24 into 360 degrees. So we can cancel this. And that comes out to be 105 degrees, right? Now the third activity is homework, and homework is mentioned over here 4 hours. So this is 4 by 24 and sector angle will be so that comes out to be 60 degrees. Fourth activity is play. Play is given to be 2 hours. So 2 by 24 and sector angle will be 2 by 24 multiply by 360. So that comes out to be 30 degrees. And the last is others, and that is given to be 3. So 3 by 24. So what is the sector angle? 3 by 24 into 360 degrees. So that comes out to be 45 degrees. So this is how, if you add these angles, you get a total of 360 degrees. Now we are going to make the pie chart. So let us see how to make the pie chart. So for pie chart, first we are going to draw a circle. So you can take any suitable radius and draw a circle. You know that pie chart is a circle graph. So now we have drawn the circle. and you can start with any radius. So here I am taking the radius. This is O, this is A. Now the first sector angle, we will be using these values. The first sector angle is 120 degrees. So see how we are going to do this. So I am starting from here with the protector. We can easily make an angle of 120 degrees. And then you see that this is the first sector representing 120 degrees, and this is representing sleep. Now the second is 105 degrees, so you can rotate this, and you can follow either clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction. So one by one you can make the angles, sector angles. So next angle is 105 degrees. So we start from here, 90, then 100, and here it is 105 degrees. So we can now make the second sector. So this is now 105 degrees, and this is representing school. Okay, now coming to the third, so you can rotate this and again start fresh from this. And the third angle which is given is, let us see the data, it is 60 degrees, and this is representing homework. So here it is 60 degrees. And now we have got another sector, 60 degrees, this is homework. Next sector is 30 degrees. Again you rotate it, and then we can make an angle of 30 degrees. Here it is, and it is representing play. And last is obvious, we don't have to draw that. So this is 30 degrees, and this is representing play. Last is this 45 degrees, and it is representing others. So this is how we have drawn the pie chart as per the given data. So what steps we have followed? First, we have made this table, and in this table, in the first column we have listed the activities. In the second column we have listed the number of hours. In the third column, fractions have been calculated, and in the fourth column we have calculated the sector angle. And then using these sector angles, we have represented these activities in the circle graph. I hope it is clear to you.